Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to multiply monomials. So we are going to multiply the like terms. That's what we are going to do. That's how we can simplify expressions. So the first question says simplify, express your answer using positive exponents. So the numbers are like terms, so we can multiply them first. 3 times 7 is 21, and then we have y times y. Let me just put it on the side. So when we multiply y times y, it becomes y squared, because these are exponents with the same base, and that's y to the first power, y to the first power. When we multiply the same base, we add their powers by keeping that base. So that would be the answer to this question. So let's move up a level and see how that one goes. Okay, now we have a triangle. We are going to find the area, simplify your answer. So basically, we're going to multiply the monomials that we have in here, but you should also know how to find the area of a given figure. In this particular example, to find the area of a triangle, this is the formula we need to use. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. That's a general formula. So we just do substitution, and then first bring down that 1/2, and then base is 6 times height. That's the height. Now first start with the numbers you have. In the numerator you have 1 times 6 times 3. That's 18. In the denominator we have over 2. So 18 over 2 is 9, and then the only variable we have is that one, so just bring it down. It was in the numerator, it should stay in the numerator, so 9x would be the answer to this question. Let's submit this one and then see if there's any other area question. This one here is going to be, again, since it is a triangle, it's 1/2 times base times height. Now multiply 2 by 2 that are in the numerator, that's 4, and then divided by 2. I need to divide that 4 by this number. The final number is going to be 2. And then I have two variables, x times x in numerator. X times x is x squared. So 2x squared would be this right here. Let's put it up in the box. And then use the exponent. And the power is 2. So with this one here, it's a four-sided figure. I think it's a parallelogram. We shouldn't assume, the question should have mentioned that, but oh, it's a four-sided figure, it's a quadrilateral. Base times height is going to be the area. So the base is right here times height. How do I know that that's the height? It's because the vertical segment, the vertical line segment is perpendicular to the base. So when they are perpendicular, the vertical one is called the height. So we should, by the way, know that these two sides are equal to each other. Like those two should be equal. Again, this figure is a parallelogram. It should be a parallelogram. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to find the area. So what we do is 3x is the base times height. If you have a four-sided figure, you do not divide it by 2. If you have a triangle, your area is going to start with 1/2, which means divide your answer by 2. So in right here, 3 times 3 is 9, x times x is x squared. So 9x squared would be my answer for this question. And let's see if this is any different. Okay, now I think we upped a level. Same concept, multiply the like terms. We have 5 and 10 as numbers, multiply them, that's 50. Times, check the variables out. Right here I have r and then r to the power of 7. This is what I have. If you don't see any power, the power is 1. And when you multiply the exponentials with the same base, which is r, you add the powers. 1 plus 7 is 8. That's going to be the power now. So that would be the answer. 50 times r to the power of 8. Now let's say with this, it's just multiply them. That's going to be the final answer is going to be 10x. Let's skip a level and see if the question gets any harder. Okay, let's do this one and then be done with this. Okay, first focus on the numbers. 4, they are all multiplication, and it says simplify. So 4 times 3, those are the only numbers in the base, so they are multiplied to 12. Let's use another color to indicate another pair of like terms. There's F, and then there's F in here. So those are, the first one is F, the second one is F to the power of 48, right? The final answer, obviously in the base I'm going to have an F. The power, since there's nothing in there, that means the power is 1, and you add the powers. 48 plus 1 is 49, so times F to the power of 48, another color for another like term, G to the power of 8, and G. So let's use this space, G to the power of 8 times G. Again, that should be 1. Add the powers together, G to the power of 9. And then I think we have one more, H squared and H to the power of 9. Add the powers together, the base is going to stay the same, H to the power of 11. So now, make sure you don't mess up with the powers when you type your answer. 12 times F, and then we need a power of 48. And then go down and put G. Use your arrows to go down to the power of 9. And then again, I am using the right arrow. And then H to the power of 11. What's the answer? What did I do wrong? Oh. Okay. It's not that I did it wrong. I don't know why I put 48, because it was 49. The power was 49. So just make sure you don't do that mistake when you do the question on your own. That was supposed to be 49 because of this. I don't know why I put 48. So the other exponents was right, by the way. So it's not even 8 in the morning right now. So I'm not as focused as I'm supposed to be. Sorry about that. So let me know if this video helped you out, guys. And if you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to help you out.